こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Grammar video number 117 and we're going to see the difference between 必ず and 絶対に or 絶対. In my grammar video number 115, I already explained you about the difference between ぜひ and きっと. If you want to remember them, you can watch that video 115. These two adverbs, 必ず and 絶対に have the same meaning. This is definitely at any cost, always, on my soul, without any fail, absolutely. So it means in both cases, the meaning is 100% for sure. So you can interchange these two adverbs, 必ず and 絶対に in many occasions. But there's some differences between 必ず and 絶対に. So I want to explain it. At first, 必ず. When we use 必ず, it means a lot of responsibility or obligation. Comparing with this adverb, きっと that we learned in my grammar video 115, 必ず it's much stronger than きっと. 必ず has got the objective nuance. Objective, 客観的. So not so subjective, so very objective. In this case, we use 必ず. So it means you can use 必ず in public speech because this is 客観的, very objective. If we use きっと, it sounds very familiar. It is among friends and families. But 必ず, you can use it in public speech. Of course, we can use 必ず in casual speech. But if this is very polite speech, 必ず is better to use than 絶対に or other things. 必ず is in polite form, we can use it. Let's see some examples. Please come. But the meaning or the nuance is like, please be sure to come. 必ず来てください. 必ず来てください. So using 必ず, it means 100% yes. Okay? It's not only 80% or this is my desire, I want you to come. Not like this. This is 100%. Yes, please come. Please do your homework. Or it means, please make sure to do your homework. 必ず宿題をしてください. 必ず宿題をしてください. Please make sure to take your medicine before you eat. Do you remember how to say before you eat? Well, 食べます, the verb to eat. And 辞書形, the dictionary form, this 食べる. 食べる前に, this means before you eat. 食べる前に必ず薬を飲んでください. 食べる前に必ず薬を飲んでください. Please make sure to call me. 必ず電話してください. 必ず電話してください. The verb to say to call someone, we say 電話します. 電話, it means telephone. So 電話します. Very useful, this します, right? And if I want to say call someone, so someone に電話します. And there's one other verb, 電話を, in this case, we need this particle を, 電話をかけます. Please make sure to follow the rules, or please make sure to keep the rules. Let's see some vocabularies. Rule. It means rules. The verb 守ります. This means to protect. But in this case, I translate it just like keep or the follow. And this is the group 1. It means te form and ta form with jump sound. 守って、守った. And dictionary form 守る ないフォーム、守らない。必ずルールを守ってください。必ずルールを守ってください。We can use this verb 守ります with, for example, 時間 the time. When we say 時間を守ります it means to be punctual. Make sure to be punctual. 必ず時間を守ってね。必ず時間を守ってね。I can use 守ります with this word 約束 promise. So 約束を守ります it means keep the promise. So you can also translate like to maintain the words. Please keep your promise. Please keep your words. 必ず約束を守ってね。必ず約束を守ってね。Now 絶対に or only 絶対 You can use this に or not. It's okay. 絶対に is as 必ず It means 100% for sure. Absolutely yes. 絶対 or 絶対に So in this meaning, it's 絶対に is the same as 必ず But do you remember 必ず was quite objective. But 絶対に This is 主観的。主観的 it means subjective. So my own feeling. So 絶対に On my soul. Absolutely yes. We can use 必ず in the public speech in the polite form and very elegant 必ず。But 絶対に is 絶対に絶対に This is my feeling, my strong feeling. So this we can use 絶対に in quite casual speech. Of course, you can use 必ず in quite casual way of speaking, and 絶対に is also in maybe in the public speech. But usually, the tendency is just as what I said. In this nuance, very polite way, ぜひ and 必ず we can use in the polite sentence. So we often use きっと絶対に in a casual way of speaking because this is more our feeling, our emotion. So not so elegant, but きっと and 絶対に in casual way of speaking. I absolutely wanna go. To say I wanna do something, the verb 行きます and this is must form. But from this must form, we take it off, must, then たいです。行きたいです。It means I wanna go. 絶対に行きたい。絶対に行きたい。絶対行きたい。So you can use in the both way with に絶対に or without it. 絶対 and both are okay. I will absolutely do it. 絶対にします。絶対する。I absolutely want to win. The verb to win. 勝ちます。This is group 1. So, 手 form and 他 form. 勝って、勝った with jump sound. And dictionary form. 勝つ、勝つ。And ない form. 勝たない。And win someone or win something. Something に勝ちます。or someone に勝ちます。絶対に勝ちたいです。絶対に勝ちたいです。絶対勝ちたい。One very important thing about 絶対に or 絶対 it is that you can use this 絶対に in the negative sentence. It means 0%. Zero. It is never or never ever. Please never forget the passport. The verb to forget. 忘れます。And ない form 忘れない。And please don't forget. 忘れないでください。絶対にパスポートを忘れないでください。絶対にパスポートを忘れないでね。I'll never do it. 絶対しません。絶対にしない。Please don't be late. Never. the verb to be late or not to be punctual, we say 遅れます。絶対に遅れないでください。絶対に遅れないでね。Never give up. 諦めます。諦めます。This is the verb to give up. 絶対に諦めないでください。絶対に諦めないでください。絶対に諦めないで。We learn the difference between 必ず and 絶対に。Both 必ず and 絶対に means 100% yes. But, absolutely. But 絶対に this has other meaning. It is 0%. It is never, never, never ever. Now a quiz time with 5 questions, 5 translations into Japanese. I want you to use 必ず or 絶対 or 絶対に。1番目 and this is gonna be a little bit difficult because recently I explained you about the relative sentence and I'm gonna use it, okay? The sentence is like this. He is the person who absolutely keeps his words. Okay, he's the person who he always keeps his promise. 2番目 I'll never lose. 3番目 He never eats vegetables. 4番目 Please make sure to bring your passport, please. 5番目最後です。Please make sure to read this before taking this medicine. I hope you could understand the slight difference of meaning of 必ず and 絶対に. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, I recommend you to subscribe it because I'm sure you're gonna learn lots of Japanese here. If you don't mind helping me, please share my videos with your friends. いかがでしたか？今日は必ず、絶対に、この2つの副詞を勉強してきました。ほとんど同じ意味ですが、ほんのちょっとの違いがありますから、それも説明できたと思います。細かい違いも見てきましたが、一番大きな違いは、絶対に、これは肯定文でも否定文でも使えます。でも、必ず、こちらは否定文には使えません。肯定文だけです。このように、私のチャンネルでは日本語を少しずつレベルアップしながら教えていっています。このチャンネルが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタン、そしてチャンネル登録もお願いいたします。それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介していただけたら本当に嬉しいです。ぜひお願いします。では次のビデオでお会いできるのをとっても楽しみにしています。必ず見に来てくださいね。絶対に見に来てね。今日もここまで見てくれて本当にどうもありがとう。じゃあまたね。